Your style, put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love became. You need me, say my name. Don't ever hesitate. It's 2 AM outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. I feel too high.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be working on 2016 Porsche Cayenne, and for some minor body work, tailgate got damaged, so we'll be replacing it with a new one. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, we got the car in the shop. Let's take a closer look what we got going on. Damage right here, and then damage on this side. Pretty big damage, plus it's aluminum tailgate, so we're just gonna replace it completely. Let's get to work. Alright, we got the tailgate in the spray booth. Alright, the tailgate is painted, ready to be installed. We'll get to work on it today. Came out clean. Alright, that's the new tailgate. That's the old one. We're going to transfer a few things to this one and start installing it. Alright, we got the new tailgate in. Time to run all the wires through. Connect everything and should be good to go. Tomorrow they'll transfer the rear glass. Should be. Alright, tailgate is in. We connected all the wires, lots of wires running throughout the whole tailgate. Same with this side. So now we could test out if it works or not. Porsche Cayenne is ready. Time to take it to the car wash, get it all detailed and ready for delivery today. Alright, just picked up the car from the car wash. Car is clean and detailed, ready for delivery.